Good morning, girls. Let's get some light. Hi. How's everybody doing this morning? Oh, I know it's damp and wet outside. Everybody's looking good. So today is day number 1 out of 13 before we dry off the cows on January 27th, where I'm in charge of the entire farm all by myself. This morning I am going to get the milking parlor and equipment ready, push the cows out, milk the cows, do all the barn chores, and then midday I get to go have lunch with a friend, then come back in the afternoon, do some more chores, and then later evening chores. But Stacy is in Spokane now at his diesel mechanic class, basically Monday through Thursday, and so it's up to me, but we're excited. Out. Come on, Rose. Come on, Rose. How about this? Alrighty. So I got the cows out. Now I'm going to give them some alfalfa. And that way, after they get done milking, they come back out through this door and they'll have alfalfa here. Daisy! Daisy, Daisy, Daisy! Hi, Daisy! It's a little wet and damp and muddy out there, huh? Oh. Good morning, Daisy. Daisy, Daisy. Good girl, Daisy. there she goes. All right. Daisy gave us 18.5 pounds this morning. Good job, Daisy. All right, I got 2 more cows to milk, and I've been filming and stuff, so I'm gonna go and get those 2 cows done, and then I'll meet you in the barn. After milking Daisy, I milked Rose, and then it was time to milk Carnation, and they both went very well. It was then time to do some cleaning, and I had that all set up, and there's my milk filter. Looked good today. The other part of cleaning is actually scrubbing our milking bucket. And I found that if I have it sitting on a milk crate and it lifts it up off the ground, it makes it easier to clean. Then it was time to get going on barn chores. All right, welcome back out to the barn. Milk cows are finishing up their alfalfa. The other 5 animals are outside. And then we have our 3 7-month-old heifers. Next thing I need to do is take hay on the sled and drag it around the back of the barn out for the other 5 non-milking cows. All right, milk cows, you want to go get some grass hay? Woo. All right, watch out, Rose. Watch out, Rose. My next thing that I'm gonna do is pick up all the poop and put down fresh shaving. So to save time, here's your before, and there's our bedding. Here, I'll try you to see it better. Cows still getting some hay. They're still getting hay outside. Calves, heifers are doing good. Now I do water. I check the chickens, give the horses their hay netting, and then it's time for second breakfast. So after morning chores, I did go do milk deliveries, and then I came back and I did afternoon chores, and then I did final chores tonight. And that is now the end of day 1, Monday, January 9th. So I move on through the week, and then we have decided to dry off the cows on January 29th. And I have lots of other stuff going on, exciting things that I'll talk to you more about. But I just want to say I really appreciate everybody coming along with me today on my first day, doing everything on the farm while Stacy is hard at work at his classes. And it's really fun because he'll be able to see this tomorrow and see everything I did today on the farm. So thanks again, and really appreciate all your support. Hope you're having a great evening, and good night.